Hello friends, in this video I will show how to merge picture, text and shapes in PowerPoint. So insert and click on shape. Here select any shape, then same insert shape and select another shape. Now draw another shape. Now you can merge in different way. So firstly select it, then select second one. Now click here, then select another one. Now here you will see the option merge shapes. You can shape, you can merge in union form, and same you can merge same select. So firstly select first one, then press Ctrl and select second one. Shape format, here is the merge shape. Another four, combine and fragment, intersect and subtract. So you will see this effect here. Select this one and select another one, and now see different. Combine, fragment and intersect and subtract. So this way you can merge shapes in PowerPoint. Also you can merge picture and shape. So insert picture. In this video I will show you how to merge text with image in PowerPoint. So firstly insert this text box and type your text. Now select it and make big size. Bold. So now we have this text. Now we need one picture. So insert and picture. Adjust picture size. So keep your text here. Now back. Now make your image behind. Now select your image. Then select your picture. Now here click on merge. and select intersect and click enable. So this way you can merge your text into picture in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.